Hi everyone, my name is Lily, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the area of a traverse using the X and Y coordinate method. You might be asking yourself, why is this important? And it's important because land is usually bought and sold depending on how many acres it is, so what's the area of that land. So if you're going to be buying or selling property, you might want to know how to double check and calculate the area for yourself. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. Okay, so let's say the figure to the left is the traverse that you surveyed, and every one of those purple circles is a place where you took a reading. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that and you're going to plot out an X and a Y coordinate system, and you're just going to assign some arbitrary number that's, as long as everything's positive, it doesn't matter. So we're going to take this point right here, and we're going to label this 10,000 in the X coordinate and 5,000 Y coordinate. Alright, now from there you're going to plot and label all of your other coordinates in the system. Now to find the area, you're first going to multiply the X coordinates by the Y coordinates, but you're going to do it kind of a little off. You're going to do x1 times y2, and then you're going to add x2 times y3, and you're just going to keep on going down, all the way down, like so. Now you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to do it a little bit opposite in the y coordinates. So you're going to find y1, and you're going to multiply that by x2. And then you're going to take y2 and multiply it by x3. And you're just going to repeat this pattern all the way down. This can be pretty easily written out. The x times y is just going to be x1 times y2, and then you're going to add x2 times y3, and then you're going to add x3 times y4, and you're going to keep on going down all the way to the end, and then the y times x is going to be y1 times x2 plus y2 times x3 plus y3 times x4, and like I said, you're just going to continue that all the way down. After you've multiplied all the x's and y's and the y's times the x's, you're going to get this kind of layout, and you're then going to take the x times the y, and you're going to subtract the y times the x's from it. And you're going to get this value. And that's the area of your traverse. Now you can change that to, feet squared or acres, whatever the problem is asking for. So it's just as simple as multiplication and addition. You just have to remember the steps. So basically the steps are, you're going to designate the x and y coordinates for all of the points on the traverse. Then you're going to multiply and add the x's and the y's as the form of x1 times y2 plus x2 times y3 plus x3 times y4, and so on and so forth until you get to the bottom. Then you're going to do the same thing with the y, and you're just going to multiply then add the y's times the x's. So you're going to start with y1 times x2 plus y2 times x3, and so on and so forth till you get to the bottom as well. Then you're going to subtract the sum of y from the sum of x, and that'll give you the area of the traverse. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time.